So looks like by the end of the year, for Christmas, we need 1,000 of these toys out. So I've been losing sleep over it.
Oz and I started Apple in my parents' garage when I was 20. From just the two of us in a garage to a $2 billion company.
So Fateen moved to San Francisco a year ago with one goal: build a talking toy.
Alright, I am waking up.
What are you up to, Arya?
It just said the name. Does it walk, fly, or swim?
No, the object I'm thinking of can't walk, fly, or swim.
Qu'est-ce que tu aimes faire pendant la journée?
Jouer avec les animaux. No, can we keep playing the game?
And for the past few months, he's been making AI dinos by hand so his startup could survive. But here's the problem. If he couldn't sell 1,000 by Christmas, it would all be over.
Did you hit your goal?
So just a few weeks before Christmas, we went from selling only a few a day to selling few hundreds in a week. They were selling faster than I could make them. So the whole lab just became a factory full of dinos. Yes! All the other founders in the lab pitched in to help us get to our goal by the end of Christmas. So it was a race against time. I'm answering 50 phone calls a day from moms and grandparents from all over the US. So we have to deliver, but we just didn't know how. So another grandma called one day and she wanted to make sure if the toy is going to get delivered before Christmas. And I was asking her, so what got your attention? And she was seeing her grandson after a long time because she was going through chemo. I'm going to drive all the way from Arizona to California to see my grandson. And this was the only present she bought for her grandchild. So we were like, oh wow. A grandma has trusted us with the only gift she bought for Christmas for all her grandkids. So we had all these stories, and that's what kept us going during the Christmas season. And that's when Winston told me, I have mastered the system. I can teach the system. We can do it. We can save Christmas. So I start assembling the team. Winston joins full-time. Dante, Raul, Gino, Jackson, Patrick. The app became 10 times better, and we are moving at 10 times the speed. And we're making 100 times the dino. And of course, I met Dan, my sweet, sweet Dan.
Hi, I'm Dan.
So we literally had to stop taking orders because we cannot make all of these by hand. 1 year ago, I moved to this city with nothing but a suitcase. It was just me in the hardware lab, all by myself, making toys, and all I had was a big vision. And now we own an entire toy factory in the middle of San Francisco. By next Christmas, we're doing 100,000 dinos. That's a lot of dinos. Fuck!